Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use variation swatches for WooCommerce. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and ensure the WooCommerce plugin is active. Variation swatches transform your product options from basic drop-downs into visually engaging selections like colors, images, or buttons. This not only makes your product pages more attractive, but also simplifies the selection process for your customers, potentially boosting your sales and overall user experience. It's a powerful tool for any e-commerce store. Next, let's create your product attributes. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and then Attributes. Here, you'll define attributes like color or size. For each attribute, select the swatch type, perhaps color for colors or button for sizes. Then add the specific terms such as red, green, small, or medium. This foundational step ensures your variations are well organized and ready for visual representation on your product pages. Now it's time to configure your swatch options. Go back to your attributes and click Configure Terms for each one. For a color attribute, you'll use a color picker to assign the precise shade for terms like blue or yellow. If you're using image swatches, upload a small, clear image for each term, perhaps a fabric texture. For button swatches, the term name, like extra large, becomes the button text. This step makes your swatches visually distinct. Finally, let's apply these beautiful swatches to your products. Edit a variable product and head to the Variations tab. Add your newly configured attributes like color and size, and then click Generate Variations. For each variation, set a price, manage stock, and assign a specific image. Once you save your product, your customers will see the engaging variation swatches instead of plain drop-downs, making their shopping experience much more intuitive and visually appealing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.